This is our Overnight Multi-Biotic Moisture Cream. It's an ultra-hydrating night cream, aids collagen production and helps with cellular renewal and turnover to protect the barrier overnight. Our key ingredients are snow mushroom. Snow mushroom is actually a powerful antioxidant that holds its weight in water more than hyaluronic acid. So it locks in that moisture even more. It smooths and hydrates. We also have ProRenew Complex, postbiotics and probiotics obtained through fermentation for cell renewal and to help environmental damage. We also have JD lustrous as a key ingredient. This is from jojoba esters and jojoba alcohol. It's a naturally derived silicon and it's biodegradable. It locks in moisture and gives that firmness. It provides instant long-term hydration. Clinically proven, 64% increase in hydration, and it also outperforms hyaluronic acid in holding moisture in the skin. How to use. Apply at night after your ultimate serum or any other serum, all over the face, including the neck and décolletage.